What's the meaning of adverse? Adverse. 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 The word adverse refers to something that is harmful, unfavorable, or negative. When something is described as adverse, it suggests that it has a detrimental impact on a situation or person. Adverse events can occur in various contexts such as weather conditions, financial circumstances, health conditions, or legal situations. Adverse effects can range from mild to severe and may include physical harm, emotional distress, financial loss, or legal consequences. Overall, the term adverse implies an undesirable outcome that can negatively affect individuals or entities involved.